Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today's video about new Ulefone Armor 12 5G. Thinner, lighter, better. As a rugged phone equipping with large battery capacity and possessing solid performance, Armor 12 5G does not give up the lightweight hand feel. It has a weight similar to other smartphones, balances strong performance and long-lasting battery endurance, makes the phone thin enough as well. It is irresistible when you look at it first sight. Composite Silver Ion. High antibacterial ability, permanent protection. Added composite silver ion antibacterial master batch. Eliminate up to 99.9% bacteria, can effectively fight against a range of bacteria in life, such as Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella pneumoniae. Avoid the spread of bacteria. Reduce cross-infection and disease transmission, and get double health protection. Eliminate bacteria 99.9% in 24 hours. Extraordinary top sound quality dual 1216 Super linear speakers. Symmetrical dual 1216 Super liner speakers with 1.6 cubic centimeters super large sound cavity, 7 pieces of magnet sound unit, up to 0.65 millimeters amplitude, all contribute to high-quality sound reproduction, provide you better sound quality in both game experience and audio-visual entertainment. Built rugged to survive in any harsh and challenging environments. No matter you pack it over the mountains, walk into the desert, or cross the stream, its superb waterproof, dustproof and shockproof performance makes it be your trustworthy outdoor companion. Premium performance for 5G speed. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G Society chipset, which combines together with an octa-core CPU featuring 2 Cortex, A76 clocked up to 2.2 GHz, and 6 Cortex, A55 clocked up to 2.0 GHz. Totally an ultra-small 7 nanometers society that balances the need for immediate responsiveness and supreme power efficiency. Powerful ARM G57MC2 GPU lets you enjoy smooth gaming experience. Such a powerful chipset supports you streaming video, chatting with friends, working on the go, playing games or snapping pics. .52-inch Waterdrop Screen. See beyond the horizon, explore the unknown on the huge 6.52-inch Waterdrop Screen combining with high resolution, which presents a visual feast to your eyes. 16:9 aspect ratio makes wonder flow in your hands become reality. Storage beyond your expectation. 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM. Optimal chipset coupled with 8 GB RAM for providing you only the smooth experience. The app startup speed has been greatly enhanced. Multiple apps can be run simultaneously as well. 128 GB ROM allows a mass of videos, musics, apps being stored, played or run without impediment. Do you think it is the limit? Add extra 1 TB memory via TF card to work more, play more and store more. Powerful camera system. Optimizing quad rear camera lets you capture every delightful moments in life. The 48MP main camera faithfully captures clear and detailed photos. Choose among the 8MP wide-angle camera for grandeur landscape shooting, 2MP macro lens for still life up-close capturing, while the 2MP depth sensor takes your photography to new levels. Massive 5180 mAh battery capacity. Armor 12 5G packs with 5180 mAh battery inside, which backs you up to throughout the whole day, can end your battery anxiety. Supporting 18W wired fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and OTG reverse charging. No matter where to go, there is no need to carry a power source after fully charged for one-day journey. Latest stock Android 11. Go straight to the stuff that matters most with Armor 12 5G, which is based on Android 11 out of box. Intelligent optimization gives you powerful app control and comfortable UI experience, providing an easier way to manage conversations. Protect your privacy better. Digital Toolkit. Ulefone always provides you with diversified app tools to help you complete your work efficiently, no matter in construction, mountaineering and the like. Find out the app that might helpful to you, twice done with less efforts.